So over here, you can see that I have Google Tasks opened up. And what I can actually do is I can go ahead and turn the mail I receive in Gmail as Google Task as well. So for that, you can see that I have this particular mail right here. So if I were to go ahead and select this right here, you can see that I can go around over here onto More and then click on Add to Task. Once you do that, what happens is that task opens up and the mail subject right here becomes the task right here. Let's just go ahead and do the same right here for this mail right here. And now as I do that, and then if I were to go around and click on Add to Task, you can see that whatever mail I selected, so if I were to select out multiple mails right here, I can add the task and they get added out as tasks right here, and they get updated out right here just like this. And that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize Google Tasks with Gmail as well easily. So as you go around over here, click on the three dot button right here. Inside the mail, you don't see it right here, but from the main inbox, you can go ahead and select it and click on the three dot button to go ahead and add them out as tasks. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize Google Tasks with Gmail as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe